guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon and in today's video I am back with another V-part wig tutorial video, but this one's a little bit more exciting because Beauty Forever sent me this V-part wig that you can actually wear from straight to curly. So you can wear this hair in two different styles. You can do a nice straight hairstyle, or you can wet it and rock a curly look. And I feel like this wig is very versatile and just perfect, especially for us girls who have more textured hair, and when we wear it in a straight style we want it to blend better and just look more natural. So this is the perfect wig. So let's go ahead and get into this. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So you guys know from experience I've worked with Beauty Forever hair before. I love Beauty Forever. They have great quality hair. So yeah, this is the wig, and like I said, this is their V-part. So with V-part wigs you can wear no leave out, or you can wear just like the slightest bit of leave out. So that's why I was saying, like, if you need it to blend, it should blend better if you have more like textured hair, like type 3, type 4 hair. Okay, so this is the hair straight out the box, and just looking at it, it feels very full. Yeah, you can definitely tell it has some texture to it, so that's a very exciting. Of course they made like the clips. That's how you keep it nice and secure on your head, and then the combs on the side, and then as you guys can see, the V shape. So love the technology on here. And then also included in here, they did put like a little scarf, and then wig band if you need to make it tighter. They also gave you another little scarf, a wig cap, some lashes, and some clips. So the usual goodies. So let's go ahead and just install this hair. And my hair is just like middle part with braids to the back, just you know. So let's go ahead and unclip. And underneath my wigs I always make sure my hair is protected, healthy and growing. So I always use my Lavish Curls products from my business. So make sure you click the link in the bio so that your hair is flourishing and growing when you have your wigs in. I'm just gonna line it up. You can of course take the slightest bit of leave out, and you know, if you want to, you can. If you don't want no leave out, then do no leave out. I usually do leave out, so, but today we're doing no heat styling. This is what the hair is looking like straight in. So yeah, it has a real nice texture and it doesn't look thin. So these are the ends. I'm finding now with these kind of companies and stuff that I actually do love to trim the ends just so it can look more full, because if you leave it the way it comes, it can look a little bit more straggly. So I'm going ahead and just turning on my flat iron, but this is what the hair looks like. Comes down pretty long. It's so pretty. So yeah, it's just a straight texture, but when you wet it, it'll be a jerry curl. So as you guys can see on the website, one half of her hair is like jerry curly, so that's what it will look like if I was to wet it, and then the other half is just straight. So it gives you a visual of what it would be like. I love some fresh hair. Just heating this up. But yeah, so far no complaints. Like, the hair feels very soft. There's no shedding going on. Really love how this hair is looking and feeling. You can tell. I really like that it's versatile once again, because I can put some curls in here. I can wet it and wear it curly, so it's perfect transition if you're wearing this hair like the colder months, and then when the summertime comes you can pop out and rock some curls. So I feel like that's really good about this unit. There are a couple of like shorter hairs up here. I don't know what that's about. I've never seen that. It's a little random spot where it's like shorter. So I think my flat iron's nice and hot now. And I'm just going ahead and like running it through to get like little creases out. This hair is so pretty. If you've ever watched any of my videos from Beauty Forever Hair, like the hair is always 10 out of 10. Always good quality. They never let me down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just straight hair install, easily straightened. Looks so good. I know I said I was gonna wear my hair curly this week, but I just might have to pop back out with this hair, do a little bit of leave out, and just blend it in. Cause this is too cute. This is too cute. Like, what? Okay, hey y'all, Yalon from the future here. So I just wanted to drop in because like I was telling you guys, with this hair you can revert it to curly and wear it in 2 different styles. And I've actually been wearing this hair for like 2 weeks now, so I want to give you guys just a few details in between the video about the hair. So I actually ended up cutting it a little bit shorter because I like a shorter look, and I did add curls to it. And the curls are, you know, kind of dead now. But something about this hair that you should know is just like regular curly textured hair, like our hair, if humidity hits and stuff, this hair is going to get more poofier. So like you guys seen in the video, it's more straight, but it definitely gets more textured looking and poofier looking if you're somewhere like humid or anything. So I've noticed that this hair has gotten more poofier, which actually helps to blend more with my natural hair. Now I quickly just want to wet the hair and show you guys, because I don't want to leave that out. And I know some people are probably going to be like, okay, you didn't show us like how the hair looks curly or how it is when it reverts. So I want to just go ahead and add in and show, because you can definitely tell like this isn't regular textured hair because of the fact that it poofs up, unlike regular like body wave or straight hair. So yeah, it's just like real hair. So I feel like it's hard to keep that completely straight look when this is the type of hair that can revert. So just like your real hair. It's almost as if that this hair isn't heat trained, you know? So it easily reverts. So trying to scrunch at it. We gotta wait for it to revert now. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, it does turn into more of a loose wave texture. So if you freshly washed this hair, it will probably be a little bit more curlier, and if you added product. But as you guys can see, it's starting to revert into this like loose curl texture. So you guys can finally see what I'm talking about. Like this hair has texture to it. It's not just completely bone straight hair. So that's why when you straighten it, it's going to have texture to it, and it's not going to stay completely straight. It might get a little bit poofy, which will mimic your real hair texture. And then yeah, it just looks more realistic, especially for people that have textured hair versus trying to blend a V-part wig that's completely straight. So that's perfect for that. So this is what the hair looks like if you were to wet it. Y'all, you better check out Beauty Forever Hair. Link in the bio. I always have all the info in the description box. I always include like a coupon code, all of that, guys. This hair is gorgeous, very beautiful. I'm loving this install. I'm loving like this straight sleek look. And then like I said, like if you want to, you can wet it and rock it jerry curly. Like, what? Versatile hair, more for your money, bang for your buck. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. So I love this hair very, very much. Make sure you check out Beauty Forever hair. I will have them linked in the description box below. You can do leave out, no leave out. You can rock it however you want. You can put a cute scarf around your head. Like today, like when I had to run out and get my coffee, I just threw on my V part real quick, put a little hat over my head, and was gone, go. Like, it's so versatile. In the wintertime, put a beanie on. Like, it's perfect go-to hair. Like, if you have an event to go to, all you gotta do is braid your hair up real quick, put a little leave out, blend, go. Like, there's so much you can do with these units. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.